Y'all female sharing on the cut, right? Alright. I'll make some hot y'all start
Yeah, and dumpling, and banana, and them.
what everything yours.
All of them, the
Blood
brown
clot,
too.
yo.
Patty retailers be like $2.20 for patty. I only they think I buy patty. Bill Gates and Elon Musk. Want to remember see a poor people shop. Half a patty go start sell. Me stop consume patty now. Bumbo clad the girl.
Oh my god, like, can you shut up?
Go suck your mother. Baby, see them. Baby, see
Hey, yo,
them.
bro, we're trying to hear the movie, bro.
Is it your cinema, sir? Is it your theater, sir? Me,
Yes,
pay
it-
my money.
no,
so
it's
me
not my
can
cinema.
speak when me want to, sir. Is it your theater? Maybe you need to talk to
I don't even know what you're saying, bro.
Baby, see them.
Oh, shut up! Like, oh my god.
I don't want to go suck on no mother. I don't want to. Bumbo.
Can't take these Dominicans,
That
man.
place yet.
Females be like, oh, I can't cook, my mother never teach me. She never teach her to do the gaga tree closing. She never teach her for boom panny, but I know how to do it though. She never teach her them there, but you know how to do it. So why you can?
What the bumbo? You pay a water bill? Mommy, I turn on the pipe for 2 seconds for brush my teeth, mommy. Oh, so you back chat me now? Mommy, no, you just ask me a question if I pay a water bill. Oh, so now you want to lie for me? Me asking the question like that? Come out. Oh, so now you walking from me when I talk to you?
Jamaican parents always want to ask a whole bunch of questions when they ask them to go out. Lady, I don't know. I just want to go out and have fun. I don't know them date of birth. I don't know where them live. I don't know if them smoke weed. I don't know if them drink. I don't know if them father is a drug dealer. I just want to...
Different ways Jamaican mothers pick up the phone when you call them. Hello. Awa. Yes, Michaela. It's one. No.
You never
Me no
never
business,
ask it,
no.
mommy.
Me know what you beg. Me not have it. What you want now? What you bother me soul for pitney? Me there work.
Mommy, but me left in the house
Me
this
there.
You're Jamaican? No, you're not. Your accent's forced. Yo, brother, let me tell you this. Let me tell you this. Make me tell you this. If you have a problem with the accent, just suck out the deepest part of your mama. I must fuck over, man.
Don't bumbo clock do in me. You shit them toe. Damn stink. Why use a tile in my half shit in you? I don't business go and go shit somewhere else. So which part I forgot to do today? Go and go shit a bush. I must dead dog yam.
Making parents be like, my pass that spoon upon the ground from morning and nobody not take it up. So why you don't take it up? Why you don't take it up? You left it there from morning and you don't take it up. But I'm me with to take it up. You see it, so why you not take it up?
Step into my office. You see, as a
Excuse me, sir,
Rasta man,
this is Orbank, not yours.
I don't know the road to the fruit. Everything we know run about. Just bring it come fast and quick, isn't me? This is what we call a stick up your shite.
Anybody understand what he's talking about?
Just bring everything on out fast, yeah. As
Karen
you
is
say,
scared.
if you not bring it a problem, your shite. Fuck you, look palm for. Fuck your mama.
Oh my
And
God.
bring everything went off. On some G shit, bro. Me I gonna need enough for give me everything on off right now.
That's stealing, sir.
Yeah, man. Mommy have to consume my food tonight, isn't me?
You mean eating?
Why? Me not ask too much bumbuckler
Why is he
question.
so
Just bring
loud?
everything on off. Adopt me a telling you, yeah.
Dudes always like, why you ain't got your nails done? Why you ain't got your hair done? Get them done. They're like, oh, I like your hair like this. I like your nails like that. Get them done. Pay for them. Give me the money to get them done. Or shut the fuck up.
Susan, I need to left that you then beat the man beat you up. Nope. I like when my man lick me, put me in my place. You listen to yourself? You like when him lick you? You was a idiot. Him gonna lick you one day, go and drop down dead and can't get up back. How? Like your dick? Oh, I should have said that. Your feelings hurt. Sorry.
Me have a old foot neighbor named Miss Dalsy. Miss Dalsy, one of them all over off young boy them. Me have 2 ding back side of me now. We are work power house. Fogs and Mice must get peace off of Miss Dalsy and go back go tell Fogs. Fogs they don't feel like him can get peace cause Mice get peace. Mice must go over there yesterday, go catch Fogs in a Miss Dalsy house. You don't know what Mice do? Mice call Miss Dalsy husband with the Chilani. Let him say one construction work I don't hear there with the woman. This morning when Miss Dalsy husband reached, him go over a construction site and go see Fogs. Ask Fogs that own the woman, the Fogs fight out Mice.
Jamaican moms be like, so if you're very ugly papa, then why you give me catches? If him so ugly, why you give me crutches? Now you have two ugly smarty foot pan. You not shame?
Buffalo soldier, me a go rub the bumbo clatos, yeah. And me a go shot in a your rascal. Come me tell you don't come back, yeah. So me a go back to the window. Come. No, my friend, yeah, he's a dead motherfucker.
Yes, you're just going from foreign. Alright. Give me money now. Give me money, man. Could have kept back Irish spoon for me. Shirt they have on, can't back with it. Shoes there, yeah, they fit. Give me money.
When others are playing dominoes.
Oh, I have a match there. Oh, you pass, you pass. Oh, looks like I've won. Good game, gentlemen.
When Jamaicans play dominoes.
Now ask me nothing, man. How much you have? Hey boy, you come for play or you come for ask question. Watch how me go kill double doors. Yeah. You not have no player. Feel your hand dead. 6 love you now.
Jamaican girl, dangerous. You will just meet them and them ask if you pay them light bill. Miss, me just meet you. What's your first name? What's your favorite color? Where you want to put credit on your phone already? I don't even have a number to put credit on your phone even if I have credit. Oh, you stay some.
Anjemoy! Munchioy! Yeah, I ice me come by. Me nah come up there and come talk about uno mangy dog Sheila nah mel nobody. And last week Miss Pernell when come up here to buy ice. And the mangy dog Sheila come bite him pan him back foot making catch Lexus and roaches. And my carry go to the hospital and then nearly have a punctuate off Miss Pernell back foot because of the mangy dog Sheila give her Lexus and roaches. Me nah come up, me say me nah come up there. Uno have to meet me part where I don't have ground. Me say me nah come up there and have to meet me pathway because me nah make the mangy dog Sheila come bite me and give me Lexus.
Teachers will teach something and then be like, oh, it won't be on the exam. So why you teach it for then? If you not come on the exam, you just have to take up unnecessary brain cells. Why you teach it for? I saw you're dedicated? Oh my gosh.
Hey bro, what's that one Jamaican word called again? We are talking about Bombarasclat. Yeah, that's what it's called. Bombarasclat. 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 Hey bro. What's up, bro? Dumb Bombarasclat. That's why I'm gonna teach you Bombarasclat word, you know, you move to Bombarasclat extra.
You just come in here, man, but your bank line long, so I come out. I can't buy them people there. Yeah, it's long bad. I'm gonna say I can buy it for my crew.
Yo, Chargy. My day bank, you know, I get paid. I check no one change out, so.
Miss me this long over there, so somebody in front of you, alright? I come for join the line now. Yeah, me this long over there, so. Now can I slap Mr. Gwana this a bank here now? Oh, she a borderline. For me, stand up here, so I know me can't go. Oh, she a borderline. Oh, she a borderline. I want to put her in hell. Sir, me can go in front of you, please. Me have a baby and he's sick. Me have to go doctor with him, please. Me I beg you. Tap around the down in people in bank and come stand up in a line for me. Look for me, I call you. I shut the 2 box. Front of people, come before me police all and put me. Stand up in a line and make them. Me say work at bank. I want to withdraw some money, but the line too long. And the ATM I work, and I just stand up all long. Come follow me, how you use it? Come follow me. Come follow me now, where you working for?